Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Hand Tool Set with Toolbox for Home? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 Best Hand Tool Set with Toolbox for Home on the market. For more details and price click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Craftsman V20 Max 7-Tool Combo Kit. This Craftsman Power Toolkit is a great investment for dyers. Whether you are planning on tackling a home renovation soon, or you simply enjoy building things in your spare time, you'll need the heavy-duty machinery included in the Craftsman V20 Max 7-Tool Combo Kit. The kit includes a half-inch drill, a quarter-inch driver, a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, an oscillating tool, a grinder, task light, 2 lithium batteries, and a lithium-ion charger. You can use the drill to hang shelving, the oscillating tool for removing grout, the reciprocating saw for cutting up shrubbery or trees, and circular saw for cutting up wood. Unlike other toolkits, this kit does not come with its own storage due to the large size of each power tool. As such, you will need a lot of available space in your home to be able to store these safely. Number 2. Workpro 100-Piece Home Toolkit. This editor-approved toolkit is a fantastic starter for people moving into their first apartment or home. The toolkit includes a claw hammer, an adjustable wrench, an auto-lock tape measurer, 2 flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers, and both combination pliers and long nose pliers. Also included is a utility knife, which will make unpacking your moving boxes so much easier, and 8 hex keys, which will come in handy in case you lose any hex keys that come with your assembly-required furniture. In addition to the basics, the Workpro 100-Piece Home Toolkit comes with a handful of helpful extras including 40 zip ties, 10 replacement utility knife blades, 9 sockets, and 20 screw bits that stay on their included screwdriver magnetically. The included polyester and water-resistant case has dedicated compartments, with straps to secure each tool in its place, effectively eliminating any worry that the tools will become jumbled once inside. Number 3. Deko All-in-One 168-Piece Multi-Tool Kit. If you're someone who prefers to tackle home repairs themselves, or likes to dabble in small DIY home projects, you'll need a toolkit as robust as this one from Deko. The kit features 31 tools that can handle a wide variety of jobs, ranging from tightening nuts and bolts to stripping insulation off of wires inside the walls of your home. The kit includes basics such as hex keys, a hammer, utility knife, measuring tape, and level, as well as tools geared toward more experienced craftspeople, including a small saw, nylon spring clamps, wire stripper, polished quick-release ratchet, and more. Also included is insulating tape, a small assortment of nails, wall anchors, and screws, and a handful of screw bits that range from basic Phillips to Posey. All of the tools featured in this kit are made of steel and finished with chrome, which helps avoid corrosion over time. The included toolbox is quite sturdy and comes with a rubber-padded ergonomic handle for extra comfort. However, considering the case is 17 inches long and more than a foot wide, it may not be compatible for people who are lacking in storage space. Number 4. Dewalt 108-Piece Mechanics Tool Set. This mechanics tool set from Dewalt contains 108 tools to help you get whatever home job you need done for your car. The kit includes 2 pair head ratchets, which are super useful for working in tight spaces. There are plenty of hex keys, big and small, nut drivers, and bits, a socket extender, and an extensive collection of sockets that are both in SAE and metric measurements. The SAE sockets included are 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, and 3/8. And the metric sockets include 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This mechanics toolkit is most ideal for people who are primarily doing fastening applications at home. The kit comes in a sturdy storage case that has a secure space for every tool, no matter how small. What's more, this product comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 5. Crankbrothers M19 Multi-Tool Plus Case. This Crankbrothers Bike Toolkit is great because it's compact and lightweight enough to take it with you while en route. Having this on hand will prevent a breakdown mid-ride that you are unable to fix, saving you from being stuck somewhere. It includes a chain tool, spoke wrenches, hex wrenches, screwdrivers, 2 Phillips and 2 flatheads, Torx, and open wrenches. It has textured side grips on either end of the toolkit, making it easier to hold on to the small kit while making a repair, even with gloves on. The Crankbrothers M19 multi-tool is conveniently less than half a pound and is slightly bigger than the size of your average smartphone, able to be kept in a bike jacket pocket or small backpack. Both the tools and storage case are made of steel and can hold up in a variety of inclement weather. And unlike most toolkits of any kind, you can choose between multiple colors, including black, gold, silver, and midnight.